Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to allow your friends to post on your Facebook profile. Whether you're looking to make your profile more interactive or just want to share the fun with your friends, this quick tutorial will help you set it up. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once the app is loaded, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon. Tap on it. Next, scroll down through the menu until you find the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down that appears. Now, under the Audience and Visibility section, look for an option called Profile and Tagging. Tap on it to access settings specifically related to how others interact with your profile. Once you're in the Profile and Tagging settings, locate the option that says, Who can post on your profile? Tap it to open a list of choices. Here, you'll see different privacy options. To allow your friends to post on your profile, select Friends. After making this selection, don't forget to tap Save to confirm and apply the changes. And that's it! You've successfully updated your settings to allow friends to post on your Facebook profile. This simple adjustment can make your Facebook experience more engaging and collaborative. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need a little help navigating their Facebook settings. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.